In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to spend a skill point in Dune Awakening. So to do it, you have to press the key button, and here you have a skills tree. I have the Brain Gesserit here, and to unlock the ability you want to use, you have to choose the exact ability and hold the space to learn it. As you can see, it's attached to the C button, but I can also change it. Also, the very important thing is you can respect the skill tree, but this can only be done every 48 hours, so think about it twice before you do it. And that's all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!